Hello everybody! First of all, we know that conflict is a concrete part of our life. But how could we qualify a conflict? A conflict is a strong disagreement between people or group, but it's also the process to get something improved. In this video, and thanks to the interview, we are going to see what is a conflict in a company and how to solve it.
What's your name and where do you work?
My name is Beatriz Yui and I work at Site Technologies. It's a company dedicated to video surveillance, access control, networking, and more.
What's your role in that company?
I'm a project manager. I coordinate projects from the specification of equipment to the completion of the project. I deal with providers, with the client, with employees. I'm mainly a problem avoider and a problem solver.
What kind of problems you usually face in that position?
That the supplies are on time and place, that the installation guys do their job properly, respecting the safety protocols and meeting the client expectations, and to achieve the client's satisfaction.
By an example, can you tell us how you usually face a problem?
An example of a problem may be that sometimes a provider isn't able of bringing some equipment we buy from him on time, so that causes a project to be delayed and the client to be upset. So we have to find another way of having the equipment on time, maybe buying it from another provider or paying an expensive delivery. So we have to work as a team and find the best solution.
What are the main sources of conflict in your company?
I think limited resources, mainly time, and also it may be miscommunication or incomplete information between the people that are in the field working at the client's installations and the ones that are at the office.
Which you consider are the most important attitudes in facing a problem?
I'll say stay calm and think about the options you have to solve the problem. Keep an open mind to do this step. Also, then you have to analyze the options you have and being flexible in selecting one. It's probably not the one you wanted to do, but maybe that's the best. And the other thing that is very important is to do teamwork. The phrase more heads thinks best than only one.
What is the role you take as project manager to face problems?
Well, most commonly I take the role of a third party by conciliating the parts that are in conflict and to find a solution for the problem. But obviously sometimes I make a mistake. I try very hard not to, but sometimes the information I send to my other teammates is incomplete or is confusing, and that obviously causes a conflict.